Hello guys. Yeah, it's me today. Okay, I want to use another method to prepare to sew. So I have been using this hand punch. Yes, I've been using this for years now, but my sister introduced a drilling machine for me. She said this is faster that you'll be able to perforate a lot in in couple of minutes. So I say okay, she should order it for me. Let me try it and see which one is better. So I want to see between this is my first time of using it. So I want to see between this one and this one, which one is better. And I want to know if this one can perforate all the sew or this one, because this one can perforate both the canvas sew, the wedge, flat, any sew you can think of except the wood sew because we have wood sew. Okay, this one cannot perforate wood sew or bone sew. Okay, but this one is my first time. I'm going to check what this one can do. So we are going to try this one on all the sew and then try this one as well to see which one is better. So let's start. So this is where I'll on it. Yeah. Okay. So this is the sole I want to perforate. Let's see what you think. Wow. Can you see that? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is really amazing. Look at it now. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is amazing. Wow, can you see that? Wow, 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 wow. I'm loving this. This is amazing. Oh, unlike the hand punch that will be so painful. Wow. Ah, wow, look at it. Just now be able to perforate this. You know, let's take this thing off. That's it. Perfect. This is perfect. Okay, let's check if the drilling machine is going to perforate this. Okay, let's try the rubber saw. Wow. Wow. This oh, it's also perforate this. Can you see that? Amazing. Wow. Mm. Wow, this is amazing. Like I did not even know that it can perforate this one. Can you see how neat? Look at it. How neat. Wow, 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 wow. Unlike this one. If you're using this, it's so painful. It's so painful to use. Can you see? Look at if you want to perforate this. Like right now, my hand has been paining me. I have this drilling machine since, but I don't know this can be so fast. And I was here, oh my goodness. Look at my hand here is already paining me because I was using this since yesterday. Ooh, ooh. Wow. And it's also cool, but it's painful. Okay, but this one, no, 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 you have already perforated a lot. So you can see. Two of them are okay, but I think I prefer the drilling machine because I'll be able to perforate a lot, a lot of sew. But this one can only perforate like two pairs and my hand is already paining me. But this one I can perforate like 100, and as long as there is light to do it, you'll still be perforating the sew. So guys, you can see the difference between the two. I guess this one is better. So you guys should drop in the comment section which one is better. Do you prefer this one or this one? But for me now, I think I prefer this one because now I've used it and I find out that I can use it to perforate a lot of stuff. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.